Why do Sigma INFJ, some of the most insightful and resilient people, often emerge stronger after facing narcissistic relationships? In this video, we'll explore how the Sigma INFJ use adversity not as a setback, but as a powerful springboard toward personal growth and purpose. We'll journey into the psychology behind their unique personality, how they overcome the emotional scars left by narcissists, and the transformative steps they take to turn pain into a profound sense of purpose. 1. Who is the Sigma INFJ? The Sigma INFJ personality combines the rare intuition and empathy of the INFJ with the fierce independence and nonconformity of the Sigma archetype. INFJ are known for their deep emotional understanding and keen insights into others' motives, while Sigmas stand apart, preferring solitude over seeking external validation. Together, this personality blend results in someone deeply introspective, capable of independent thought, and highly resistant to social pressures and manipulation. The Sigma INFJ's unique traits make them naturally inclined to understand people on a deeper level, which is a double-edged sword in relationships with narcissists. Their empathy often draws them into these relationships, yet their inner strength allows them to emerge with new levels of resilience. 2. The draw of narcissists to Sigma INFJ. Why narcissists seek out empaths? Narcissists are drawn to those who are empathetic and nurturing, qualities that INFJ naturally embody. They see the Sigma INFJ's empathy as an opportunity to manipulate and dominate. In the early stages, narcissists may appear charming and attentive, but as time passes, their true motives come forward, creating emotional confusion and psychological strain on their partner. The Sigma's independent nature. While the Sigma INFJ may be vulnerable to narcissists due to their empathetic nature, their independence often disrupts the narcissist's control. Narcissists seek to keep their partners reliant on them, but the Sigma INFJ values their autonomy and self-reliance. This internal resistance to control eventually creates friction, making it challenging for narcissists to fully manipulate a Sigma INFJ. 3. Recognizing the signs and breaking free. The early red flags of narcissistic behavior. Sigma INFJ are intuitive, and many begin to notice subtle signs of narcissistic behavior early in a relationship, from inconsistency in the narcissist's actions to a persistent need for validation. These signs resonate with a Sigma INFJ's intuition, signaling that something is off. Detaching emotionally. Sigma INFJ may stay in these relationships because they hope to help or change the narcissist. But once they recognize the patterns, they often disengage emotionally. This detachment is the first step toward breaking free. By protecting their emotional core, Sigma INFJ regain clarity and start to distance themselves from the toxic dynamics, even if the relationship hasn't yet ended. 4. The process of healing after a narcissistic relationship. 1. Self-reflection and understanding. After ending a relationship with a narcissist, Sigma INFJ go inward to analyze and understand what happened. Self-reflection allows them to process their emotions and recognize patterns they may have missed earlier. This introspective process is healing, as it helps them reclaim their narrative and strengthen their emotional boundaries. 2. Rebuilding trust in their own perception. Gaslighting, a common tactic in narcissistic relationships, often leaves victims doubting their reality. Sigma INFJ, however, take this as an opportunity to strengthen their self-trust. By practicing mindfulness and journaling, they rebuild their faith in their perceptions, reinforcing that they can trust their intuition and emotional responses moving forward. 5. Turning pain into purpose. 1. Finding strength in vulnerability. Sigma INFJ understand that vulnerability is not a weakness. It's a powerful tool for growth. By embracing their experiences, they find strength in their vulnerabilities, acknowledging the pain they endured and using it as a foundation for personal growth. This shift in mindset is crucial, as it empowers them to channel past hurts into resilience. 2. Helping others with their insight. Many Sigma INFJ find that their experiences equip them with unique insights they can share with others. They often become advocates for mental health, resilience, and empowerment, supporting others who may be in similar situations. This ability to turn their pain into a source of empathy and guidance gives their journey purpose, transforming their suffering into a way to uplift and empower others. 6. Tools and techniques for empowerment. 1. Setting boundaries as a form of self-respect. After a narcissistic relationship, Sigma INFJ prioritize setting boundaries, knowing that doing so protects their mental and emotional well-being. They learn to say no without guilt, understanding that their energy is precious and shouldn't be freely given to everyone. 2. Practicing selective empathy. Sigma INFJ remain empathetic, but they now apply that empathy selectively. They learn to invest their compassion in people who respect and value their boundaries, rather than allowing everyone into their emotional space. This approach ensures that their empathy remains a source of strength rather than a vulnerability. 3. Developing self-compassion. Part of the healing journey for Sigma INFJ involves treating themselves with the same kindness they give to others. They learn to forgive themselves for past mistakes and for any self-doubt they may have experienced. By practicing self-compassion, they solidify their self-worth, reminding themselves that they deserve the same love and respect they offer to others. 7. How Sigma INFJ thrive post-recovery. 1. Embracing independence and solitude. After breaking free from a narcissistic relationship, Sigma INFJ often rediscover the value of their independence. Solitude becomes a space for self-reflection, creativity, and growth. They learn to enjoy their own company, recognizing that they don't need a relationship to feel whole or validated. 2. Reclaiming their narrative. Sigma INFJ are storytellers, and part of their healing process involves reclaiming their narrative. They reinterpret their past not as a victim of narcissistic manipulation, but as a survivor who overcame adversity. By reshaping their story, they empower themselves, transforming from victim to victor in their own lives. 8. Building a future rooted in self-worth and purpose. 1. Setting goals aligned with their values. One of the ways Sigma INFJ continue to grow is by setting goals that align with their values. They prioritize pursuits that bring them joy, fulfillment, and a sense of purpose. Whether through creative projects, professional goals, or personal development, they invest in areas that resonate with their newfound strength and self-worth. 2. Cultivating relationships based on mutual respect. Sigma INFJ now seek relationships that respect their boundaries and value their independence. They look for partners and friends who appreciate their depth and intuition, forming connections that are healthy, balanced, and mutually supportive. This shift ensures that they avoid repeating patterns from the past, creating a future rooted in trust and respect. In this video, we explored the journey of the Sigma INFJ as they transform pain into purpose after experiencing a narcissistic relationship. Through resilience, self-reflection, and empowerment, they learn to protect their empathy, set healthy boundaries, and embrace their independence. The Sigma INFJ's journey serves as an inspiring reminder that even the most painful experiences can become catalysts for profound growth, leading to a life filled with purpose, self-worth, and empowered empathy. If you're a Sigma INFJ or can relate to this journey, share your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on empowerment, personality growth, and how to thrive after adversity.